Hi, I'm Jerry Holland, President and CEO of NewPoint Lending, and today we want to talk to you about partial entitlement for VA home loans. So yesterday I was online going through my Facebook groups, veteran groups, and talked to the veterans and kind of educating them about the VA loan. And one of the veterans told me that 4 years ago he used his first VA home loan. Then 2 years ago he bought another home with a conventional loan, and he put down 25%. Now, what he didn't know was he could have used his VA home loan. And so we started running through this, and he said, well, Jerry, how do I calculate this? How do I calculate the cost to see how much of a down payment I would have had to use? And so by the end of the story, his down payment and the VA home loan down payment are right next to each other, a few $1,000s off. But he could have came up that easily and used his VA home loan. So with this, I want to make sure that everyone understands how to do the partial entitlement calculations. Because it's very important if you're looking to purchase a new home, if you have a short sale or a foreclosure, then you have partial entitlement. So we're going to run through the calculations and let you understand how much of your VA home loan you have left to use towards this next purchase. Now, let's say that your first home, the loan amount was $325,000. Next, we're going to look at the conventional loan county limits. Now, the county limits are very important because they put the cap, the spending limit on the VA home loan. Even though it's for the conventional program, we use it for the VA home loan. So every county in the U.S. could have different numbers, but the majority of the counties go with $726,200. First thing you're going to do is we need to figure out how much of a home loan you can purchase. So we're going to take the county limit, $726,200, and subtract your original loan of $325,000. And with that, we will get $401,200. Now, what is this $401,200? This is how much of a VA home loan you can go out and purchase with 100% financing from the VA, meaning no down payment for you. But let's get real. Home prices have jacked up over the past few years, and you may not find a home that's $401,000, right? So with that in mind, let's say you find your dream home, $550,000. What we're going to do is you're going to take that $550,000, subtract the $401,200. So your difference is $148,800. But don't worry, that's not your down payment. Because the VA is so cool and they only require us to do 25% of the guarantee. As you know, the guarantee is why we don't have to pay mortgage insurance. It's almost like the VA is guaranteeing 25% of the loan for the lenders. So since we're going above what the VA guarantees, we have to take 25% of that $148,800, which comes out to $37,200 for your down payment. Now, this doesn't matter if you're looking to buy another home and keep your present home as a VA, like a rental. If you had a short sale 2 years ago or more than 2 years ago, if you've had a foreclosure, any one of those items will use up entitlement on your certificate eligibility, your VA golden ticket. And with this partial entitlement and this calculation, you now know how much you can purchase. So if you have any questions, reach out to myself or my team. We'll be glad to answer them for you.